All right, so the assumption is that you've been able to log in. Now we're going to zoom in to the Jonestown project, and I'll show you how we can find this information. So zoom in a little bit. You'll see Jonestown is over here to the right. Zoom in a little bit more. All right, and so here is the park. What we're going to focus on is we're going to put parcels. And then we're going to do a search. So you click on the binoculars here, and then click on the far left binoculars for the graphical design, and then click on the rectangle here. And then you're going to highlight the area that is the park to get all those lots. And then from there, you're going to click search. Minimize this. Click zoom to here. You can minimize this as well. And so this is bringing us into, we can do an aerial. So this is bringing us into the northern part. And so for each of these lots, you can click on the lot number, which you'll see here. That's the parcel ID. Here's the owner's name, Stokes, Pinky, and the address information. I've downloaded all these lots into a spreadsheet for you, so you should be able to identify which lots are which. From an aerial standpoint, you can see that these are homes and these are trailers. You can kind of look at it that way. Trailer. This right here is a vacant lot, but I assume it's either part of this residence because of the driveway. This is the church there in the northern part. You know, here you've got a trailer. In some of these, you may not be able to tell this is a residence, but you got a vacant lot on the side. Looks like there might be some encroachment there. So, anyway, that's how you do the search. You've got the zoom function here. If you want to get bigger, you can zoom in, zoom out. And that is the basic way to use the map to find your parcels. Let me now show you how to do it on the spreadsheet. All right, so now I've kind of brought this multi-screen here for you. In the bottom, on the left side, you've got the GIS map in my browser. Top right, you've got the tax records, which I've exported to a spreadsheet. And the bottom right is the geospatial map that I've gone in and numbered every lot for you. This is an internal numbering system, so not necessarily corresponds with anything else. But what you'll do is the first lot that I've highlighted here, the Cosby house here, is the first lot in this area. So I've got the parcel ID number, I've got the name, I've got some additional information if you want to look at it. But all this has been transposed over to the spreadsheet for you. So we've got that there. So now I'm going to come into the spreadsheet and I'm going to search Cosby. All right, and I've got parcel ID 6003900. So I'm going to come in here, and off of this is lot number 1, and we know it is a house, but we're not sure if it's owner occupied or not. So that's completely up in the air. We don't know that, but we once you do your site investigation and talk to the city, then we could figure that out as well. So I can click on this here, and that's lot 700, which is here. So that correlates with lot number 2. So we've got that. And then behind it, you've got the 800, which I'm looking at here, corresponds with that. So we've got lot number 3. And these are all likely part of the property owner's desire to have this residence here. All right, next we'll come up here, and then we've got Cosby again, Josephine B 201. Okay, so that's going to correlate with lot number 4. and we can say that's vacant land. And we can technically say that the others, actually, let's put them in as house, since it's all part of one homestead. So we've got home. We just don't know if it's owner occupied or rented. Okay, so that's taking care of that one. All right, here we'll come in and we'll click on this. This is the Neely residence. So I'll come in and do a search real quick. Neely ends in 300. All right, so that's not the specific one. We're looking for Gregory. So we'll go to next. 200. All right, so 202. That's the property we're looking at there. So that's going to be lot 4. Oh, I'm sorry. All right, so it looks like this lot in between here and here is not totally a part of it. So we're going to come in here. We're going to say that's part of number 3. And then this parcel here is lot number 4. Minimize it. Not sure whether that's a trailer or not, so we can't make any assumptions. We've got this piece here, which is Geneva Davis. Okay, 0, 100. All right, so that gives us lot 5. And because it's got multiples on it, we can't make a call on that quite yet. All right, and then Neely Gregory. And this is last name first, so just so that you know, in 0200, that's going to be lot 6. Let's see here, this lot here. All right, so I've made a mistake on this, which I'll correct. So I've got to come in here and add some text where I missed one. So we're going to do 221 to add this one in. Okay. All right, so I'm going to save that. So lot 221 is Johnson. All right, so, and that does not match 7500, so got to find the next 7500. Okay, so that's going to be lot 221. All right, and then I'll come up to the next, click on it, Ben Walker. All right, and then that's 7300, so we're good there. So that's going to be lot 7. Close that. John Houston. 8. And then I know this is the gas station here, so that's lots 9 and 10. So as you can see, you can just kind of follow up the street, and there's a bit of a pattern here. 9, 10. All right, so you got this 11. Carrie Sneed. It's gonna be 11. So that's how internally we will mark these down. While you're on site is where you will fill in the codes, which will include home owner occupied, home renter, home vacant, vacant lot, mobile home, owner occupied, renter, vacant, and then commercial. I've designated that lot 9 and 10, 9 and 10 here as being commercial because that's the gas station. So just to give you a baseline, but if you can match up the location with the legend here, then we can work towards getting the photos and understanding who lives where and if it's owner occupied or rented. So that's all I got for today. Thanks so much.